Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, today our objectives is to learn one ascending or increasing order, and second is descending or decreasing order of the numbers. Starts with the ascending order or increasing order. You see here we have four numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ascending order or increasing order means you have to start from the smallest to the largest. As we know that 1 is the smallest number from all these four numbers and 2 is larger than 1. Similarly, you see that 2 is smaller than 3 and 3 is smaller than 4. That's how we place the numbers in ascending order or increasing order. Here we have another example of increasing order. Here we have two-digit numbers. You have 12, 20, 38 and 44. Now you see that 1, 2, 3 and 4 are at 10th place or two-digit number. Here we see that 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 4. And we see that all the numbers are continuously increasing. That's why we called it increasing order. We starts with the smallest number and step by step we go towards the larger one. Here is another example of ascending order when you have a three-digit number. You see there you have 5 numbers. All the numbers are three-digit numbers. The first number is 213. The second one is 230. This one is 245, 277 and 291. So when we place these numbers in ascending order, we know that we have to start from the smallest number. First we check at the third place or the 100th place. You see that at 100th place all of your numbers are 2. Here is 2, there is also 2, there is also 2, 2 and 2. So when we have the same number at the 100th place, so we go towards the 10th place and check. Now we compare this 10th place. Here is 1, here is 3, 4, 7 and 9. You see that 1 is smaller than 3 and 3 is smaller than 4 and 4 is smaller than 7, 7 is smaller than 9. So that's how we arrange in ascending order. Our numbers 213 is less than 230 because 13 is less than 30. Similarly, 30 is less than 45 and 45 is less than 77 and also 77 is less than 91. So that's how we arrange in ascending order. Now students, we learn about decreasing order. In decreasing order, we arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Here you see we have 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order, so we start from the largest number, which is 4, and then place the smaller number than 4, which is 3, and then 2 is smaller than 3, and then 1 is smaller than 2. That's how we arrange the numbers in decreasing order, where we starts with the largest number and ends with the smallest number. Here is another example of decreasing or descending order. If you are coming down from the stairs, so when you are at the top, then step by step you come down at the bottom. Suppose you are at the 6th place, the number is 6, then in decreasing order, when you come down, the number is 5, which is less than 6. Similarly, 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 4, 2 is less than 3, and 1 is less than 2. That's how we arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Here is an example of 3-digit number and arranging in decreasing order. So we see that all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So first we check at the 100th place. You see that at 100th place, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, 2, and also 2. So when each number at the 100th place is same, so now we check at the 10th place. Here is 9, here is 7, here is 4, 3, and 1. So you see that 7 is less than 9, 4 is less than 7, 3 is less than 4, and 1 is less than 3. So that's how we arrange all these 3-digit numbers in decreasing order or descending order. We starts with the largest number and then ends with the smallest number. Each step by step the numbers are going to decrease. That's why we call it decreasing order. Now here is a question that arrange the numbers in decreasing order. There are 4 numbers are given and all the 4 numbers are 5-digit numbers. You see, I show it in 4 different colors: red, yellow, blue, and orange. So we have to arrange these 4 numbers in decreasing order. You know that in decreasing order we starts with the largest number and step by step we ends up with the smallest number. So first we have to check that in all 4 numbers which one is the largest number. So starts up with the 10,000 place. We see that here is 6, here is 6, here is 6, and here is also 6. So when at 10,000 place all the numbers are same, so now we check at the 1000 place. So 1000 place, here is 9, here is 4, here is 8, and here is 9. So we see that 9 from the red number and here is the 9 from the orange number are the largest numbers in all of these 4 numbers. So now we compare the 100th place in red and orange number. You see that here is 4 and here is 8. 8 is greater than 4. So it means that the orange number is the largest number in all these four numbers. So we place this number at the front. Now we have to write the number which is less than this orange number, which is 69,840. So now we check in these three numbers that which number is actually less than this number. So here is 69,480, here is 64,980, here is 68,940. So compare in these three numbers which one is the larger one. You see that here at 10th place all are 3. So now we compare at the 1000th place. So here is 9, here is 4, and here is 8. So 9 is the larger one from these three numbers, and the red number, which is 69,480, is less than this orange number. So we place this red number in front of the orange number. Now we have to find the number which is smaller than this red number, which is 69,480. Now the remaining we have two numbers, orange number and blue number. So check out from those. Here you see there is 64,980, here is 68,940. Again you see that at the 10,000 place both the numbers are same, but at the 1000 place here is 4 and here is 8. Here are 8,000, here is 4,000. So 8,000 is actually larger than the 4,000. So we place this blue number before this yellow number. So we arrange the numbers in this way, that starts up with the orange number, then with the red number, and then with blue number, and then with yellow number. Now you see that this is the arrangement of numbers in decreasing order. There is the largest number, there is the smaller number than this number is smaller than this, and yellow number is the smallest from all these numbers. Now the question is, arrange the numbers in increasing order. So we know that in increasing order we place the numbers from smallest to the largest. Here are 4 numbers are given. We have to arrange these numbers from the smallest number to the largest number. So first we find the smallest number in all these 4 numbers. First we check at the 10,000 place. We see there is 1, 1, 1 and 1. In all the 4 numbers, at 10th place there is 1, which is same. So now we check at the 1000 place. At 1000 place we see there is 4, 4, 4 and also 4. So now it is a different thing that we see that at 10th place and also at 10,000 place and also at the 1000 place we have the same numbers in all these 4 numbers. So now we check at the 100th place. At 100th place we see there is 9, there is 3, there is 3 and there is 9. So there is some difference now. We see that 9 is greater than 3, there is 3 is equal to 3 and 9 is greater than 3. So in increasing order we have to find the smallest number So we see that 9 and 9 are in red and yellow number. We neglect these two numbers. So we have our smallest number, either it is a yellow or it is a blue number. So you see that 143, 143. First three numbers in yellow and blue are same. So now we have to check the 10th place. Here is 6 and here is 9. We know that 6 is smaller than 9. It means that yellow number is the smallest number in all these four numbers. So we place this number at the start. Now we have to find the number which is larger than this yellow number. We see that the number blue, which is 14396. Here 143 and 143 are same in yellow and blue number, but here is 6 and here is 9 at the 10th place. It means that blue number is actually the larger number than the yellow number. So we place this number in front of this yellow number here. Now we have to find the number which is actually larger than this blue number. Now the remaining numbers we have is the red number and this orange number. So here we check, there is 14936 and there is 14963. We see that 149 is also there and 149 is also there. So now we have to check at the 10th place. You see there is 3 and you see there is 6. It means that this number is actually smaller than this orange number. So we place this red number before this orange number. So now we see at the end that we arrange all these four numbers in increasing order, which starts with the smallest number and then step by step we go towards the largest number in all of the numbers. Thanks for watching.